Huey McGoose.
The level of hungry I am right now. Here we are, walking down the hallway to our room at the Stony Creek Hotel in Columbia, Missouri.
Wow. Wow. He likes it. You see that tongue?
Okay, so
Check me out. Check me out.
there's no password for the Wi-Fi. You missed Pseudo telling me I'm amazing because he forgot the GoPro leaving the room. But his wonderful wife, Cait, remembers. Hey, we found our friend. Say hi, Trippy.
Aries finds his friend in the wild. Aries and his friend make cuddles. Aries loves his friend. Aries is a Mizzou dog now.
Hello.
Vinny coughs. Vinny narrates better than ever before. With dramatic voice, not creepy voice. Hey guys. In the elevator, going up. In the elevator, in the elevator, going up.
Chicken, yeah.
In the elevator,
Firefighters operation.
going up.
Exit the elevator.
In the elevator.
Chicken.
Chicka chicka what what?
We checked out the lobby bar and our dog got loud. So we're back up here.
Caitlin was back up here.
Caitlin was back up here. Me and Trippy hung out for a little bit. Yeah. They got the Breakfast of Champions. I don't know if you can see the fog in this, but it is foggy out there. Are you ready to take over the world, Aries? You ready? You're gonna go hiking. Are you ready? Stretch out. Get those legs nice and lumber. Come on. Grindstone Nature Area. It's coming up on the right. Welcome to the show. We about to kill it. Let's go. All right. There's tools for if you break your bike. And I bike pump. And don't ever forget to pick up the dog bag. Someone else was nice enough to leave one for us. There's an 11-mile trail. So this is the trails throughout the city. We're here. Looks like this is that 11 one. This is the bridge. Yeah. These are big. Like, look at this one. That's an MK trail.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not doing the MK, I'm sorry. This is a whole city. Gotta keep windshield wiping it because of the fog. Look at that trail. That's the one I want to take.
That one?
I'll take this one now. I want to go over the bridge.
I figured you would.
Let's see how scared Aries gets of the bridge. Sometimes he's scared of bridges, sometimes he's not. Your dog must be on leash within 50 feet of the established area. Gravel trail area. It's beautiful.
What a cool little bench.
It is. That's a doggy bench, if I've ever seen one. Look at that silo. Come on. I'm not going up the hill. We were sick this week, and we're still.
Cold.
It's just a cold. It's just a cold, but we also know shortness of breath. Hey, stay away from the red berries. You're gonna stick with us. These are new plants. You haven't smelt these before. Forgot we're out of the East Coast. Look at the doggy bench. Sister friend healer, Kim's skull.
Nature smells of Missouri. That's what this trip's about. Aries establishing his dominance across the United States.
Look
at that. It's a beautiful thing for the students around here.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, this is right off of the University of Missouri.
We're on this right here. So we could have just.
Historic.
We could just walk up that trail right there and let them loose. That trail that they just walked down. How long are the Kong leashes? Leave it in the comments below. Aries get us lost, and I'll find our way out. It's all part of the challenge. Which way, Aries?
Yes, so great ordering a survivor, Vincent Pseudo Wade.
I'm not that great, so we might not get found. This is stunning. With the fog and everything. Very dog-friendly park. To be honest, if we were closer to home, probably would let them off the leash. Cait wouldn't be mad at me, but I would.
Deep in the wild, you could find a Trippy E trying to enter the hole. He will eventually make it to the hole. He doesn't care what it takes. He is gonna penetrate the hole. Here he goes. He does a little dance around the pole. Hides around, sneaks up from behind because of course Trippy E has to go from behind. And he enters the hole. Noise effects were added after. We were lucky enough to get a side profile. All we see is his head popping out. Afterwards, Trippy E sits and you can get up close to him because the parkour made him.
Asthma.
Finally found the only place to get tiger blood. What is it?
It's creepy, then it's cute.
We're walking through the creepy park,
Oh, hickory.
Smells like hickory back
Definitely
here.
restaurant back.
That's lit up, that's pretty.
Oh, that little arc and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's better.
Oh, little girl, where you going? Don't come down here. Ah!
Shortwave coffee. Here in Columbus, Missouri. Inside Shortwave Coffee, I just ordered a surprise treat for Vincent and Eddie, aka Pseudo and Trippy. This place is so cute, underground, kind of in a back alley here. I make these mugs. I'm gonna try not to get anybody in there, but I got the boys a hot mocha latte. Got myself a chai. And, you know, while they're busy outside with everything going on squad, I agreed to come in and get the caffeine fix for this afternoon.
What you doing?
Dad, I don't like being on camera.
That place is so cool.
Yeah. On the phone with his father.
Yeah.
Yeah. No private conversations in this world.
Pseudo doesn't know my only reason for going in here is to get a Christmas ornament from this location.
Not here with me.
We were told by this one's significant other that we would like the peace milk. So we're gonna try it out.
All right, so downtown Columbia, nice, super nice. It's amazing, isn't it? Super nice. Shorty parkouring. That place is super fucking nice.
Parkour, baby.
Parkour. Aries, what's your thoughts?
I'm just tired.
I like Doll Dog but one.
Eddie?
I like it. I like
much?
it a lot. I like it so much I moved down here.
Yeah.
Yay! Blink twice, need help.
Hammer's not leaving him. That means he's not done. He's like, hey, Caitlin.
Don't go.
Hey.
What's your thoughts?
Well, I'm driving, so I know you want me to look at the camera.
No, you don't need to look at it.
I thought it was super cute. I found the most adorable coffee shop and got myself a chai and went to a bookstore and got our Christmas ornament. I'd say I'm pretty happy. It's a cute little downtown area.
I found one of the biggest recreational smoke shops that I've ever seen. It was beautiful, had great posters all around, everything. Thank
He
you.
thinks he's funny.
She thinks I'm funny.
I don't.
Yeah, she does.
No.
That's this face of humor. Me.
Yo, baby.
I'm done. It's a hipster on a scooter. We found one in the wild. Even Aries was shocked by the hipster. So, Trippy said we wanted to go to a casino, and he said, don't worry. You can just stop at the gas station, walk in, and play slots.
You can. I saw it in the when we were driving here yesterday and crossed into Missouri, and we stopped in that gas station. There was a little side room, and you could play slots when people were.
Facts. So, instead of going to a casino, we're just gonna go to a gas station. Let's go. Get a gambling addiction today. Just go to a gas station.
Is that one?
So we're going down.
Down, down, sugar something. I forgot the name of the song.
Lower level.
Welcome to hell.
Caitlin, what are we doing?
We're ordering pizza in Missouri.
Eddie, what are we doing?
Ordering pizza in Missouri.
What are you doing?
And definitely not trying to order wine on DoorDash.
Okay, Aries, what are we doing? Aries. The hike worked. So, we're gonna find some Missouri pizza. We're gonna review it. We're gonna order it. They're gonna cough in simultaneous motion. I don't know how that just happened. I call it. You do not hear them in the background. I should shut off the TV. I'm only here when you're in labor.
Wait, Casey's?
The Italian.
They're pretty much like you get pepperoni, breakfast, or plain.
You would have done that already.
Close up. Yeah. Hey, Eddie.
Hey.
What's up?
You like these brown eyes? Brown eyes don't lie.
It looked terrible.
How's the cheesy bread? How's the pizza?
Good. Did someone say free pizza? Oh wait, we did.
Missouri pizzas, what's up?